Welcome to the Busy Brokers page. This is a new episode with two new guests today. Gerald, maybe you can introduce our guests for today.
Okay, before I introduce our guests, again, we are here in La Shalka, the best place
beautiful
to be in
Airbnb.
Tagaytay. Yes, so, yeah. Pare, today we have a special guest and natutuwa po ako dahil it talks about, in a way, legacy din, ano?
Yes,
Yeah, all
yes.
right. It's a mother and daughter tandem. They're both members of the City of Taguig Real Estate Board. More than that, they're active brokers, no?
Both.
Both active brokers. They're none other than Miss Boots and Angie. Yeah.
Hello, hello.
Good morning, as they say.
Well,
Yes.
good morning.
In the brokerage world, that's how we greet other
Yes.
brokers. Good morning.
Good morning. Yeah, that's
Any
true.
time of the day, it's still morning for us.
Even if it's at 12 midnight, it's good morning.
Good morning. Yes. Good morning pa rin. Yeah.
Because real estate is a sunny industry, right? It's always the bright side of things.
And parang full of energy.
Full of energy.
Oo, di ba?
Agree.
Like
di
the
ba?
amount of energy they have when selling commercial real estate.
Correct.
Di ba? Yun ang napansin ko sa mga listings nyo eh. Like, there's a focus, di ba? On mostly commercial.
Commercial,
Yes, yes.
industrial.
Pero did it start that way?
Soon after the EDSA revolution, there was already a spike in real estate. And eventually, I was incentivized to get my own license. Department of Trade pa yun noon. So, soon enough, as they say, success happens to those who make hay while there's sunshine. As early as 6:30, you're awake, you go to Bulletin Today, and again, subscribe to those small ads. You make pila to make sure that your ads are on top. And eventually, there were jackpot calls, and you were just using a PLDT. And through time, there was Easy Call. And then through time, I was subscribing to the pangkalso na
Cellphone.
phones, those big ones na may antenna, pwede mo ikalso talaga, no? And then, true enough, my daughter was in their consciousness. I would tell them, when somebody calls, make sure how you answer the phone.
Yeah, at an early age, I was trained. Like parang, when somebody calls, you always ask, who's this please and what's your number?
And there was always a record book.
Who called?
Called
Tap-
and your
oh,
phone number.
Ah, you should do that.
That
Yeah.
early.
Yeah, and those are the
We
things.
should do that pala.
Yeah.
May call history naman ng phones ngayon.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
But
Oh,
to
yeah.
actively record the calls,
Calls.
that's...
Those are the things that
Yeah.
I used to do. I guess siguro there was a consciousness when I was younger that what is real estate. Kasi one of the tricks my mom would tell me is like, para hindi kayo mawala, you look at, how do you call
Road
it?
directions.
Road directions, tsaka yung mga
Landmarks.
landmarks. What do you see on your right? A Jollibee. What do you see on your left? Goats. Mga ganon. So, at a young age, I was already aware of space.
So eventually, when they were growing up, I would tell them that this is a business that once you value it at your time, at your face, you will really make good harvest out of it. So, and then it was my turn to say, hindi ko na kaya to because in multiple transactions, you need somebody that you will really trust. I'm sure your dad would say that, you just
Yes, yes.
you just don't spill the
Yep.
the secrets in the baol. That's where the legacy comes in.
I have a important
Okay.
question din, no? Since
Okay.
magaling kayo sa commercial and
Industrial,
you do the
land
land
dev.
dev and all, no? I'm obviously ina-apply mo nga ngayon yan.
Well, yeah, in a way.
Yeah. So the question is, what are the buyers looking for right now? Mga wealthy buyers. Yeah.
So to answer you regarding what do clients look for, it's not exactly what they're looking for. Sometimes they don't know what they're looking for. They don't know the price, what they're looking for. It's what you are offering that can hit that frame of mind. Kasi obviously they're asking because they have money, they're buying. But to know what it is, sometimes you just have to offer the right deal and package it or frame it that this is what you've been wanting all your life. Or let's say like this. Ako, I would always say, why do you want, hindi ko if you frame na there's this Roland property in XXX. No, I would say, you know what, this is, dito dadaan yung PNR. Yung PNR na yan, dito tatawid sa ganitong state, sa Bulacan, sa ganyan. Pag dyan tumawid na dyan, mura pa ngayon. Pag naka-erect na yung mga pilote, mga poste, iiba na ang presyo. Hindi nila alam yon. Bakit? Kasi hindi nila walang broker magsasabi niyan. Usually ang broker would say, uy, meron ako binibenta, ganyan. So usually they don't know. Some people, they're rich people, they would say, I have 100 million, where do you
You
want?
have to help them imagine.
Oo.
Yeah, yeah,
Yes.
right. Have-
Yeah.
okay,
Actually, I like what you said. You help them imagine.
People are very much diversified. It really depends on who your client is. But there are really some that, like I said, no, like the portfolios are so different. Like I have extra money, I want to park it here, but do you have a steal? Do you have a good bargain out there? And then you just have to tickle their imagination. What's this? For end use? Do you want to invest on it? You have to walk them through exactly what their goal is. Is it for estate planning? Do you want to put it in your children's name? Those things, because you get, I always tell Angel and myself, I take care of the parents. You take care of the children. Para mabilis ang desisyon. The decision becomes faster. The chain is cut, di ba? Kasi kung ako lang nakapokus, tapos sabihin ng mga anak, ayoko naman that. But if somebody makes yak-yak to the children, it's like this, Lasal will be there, Ateneo will soon be there, it's this developer that will create this. Or if you get to have children, you'll be going here, do you see yourself here? Mas mabilis. That's how we do it. Like we have clients now that I take care of the second gen, she takes care of the third gen, at pag hindi ko masagot ang second gen,
Sa akin,
they go to the third gen at money mo nasaan, hinahanap ng daddy ko. That's that sort of thing.
May ganon.
And then you end
That happens to you too, I'm sure.
Oh, second generation.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Ganon na yun.
those out there who's looking into making this as a business, you have to pressure yourself to earn. It will not come to you. You have to be out there.
Pero may ano kami ni Anton, yung favorite question namin since you're into, yun nga, you give advice to investors, no? Saan tamang mag-invest, di ba? So this is the question. Laguna or Bulacan?
For me, it's Bulacan, up north.
Naiba.
Yes,
Naiba.
you're an
Okay.
outlier.
Okay,
The people
Bulacan.
that ask that question, ikaw pa lang ang Bulacan.
Oo.
Alam mo kasi sa kanya, ang nakakausap kasi niya, yung mga developer na kaya pang ibenta siya ng times 10.
Oh.
Yes.
Nakuha mo.
Yes.
Hectares of land. you
Yes,
mean.
hectares of land. So there's no 200, 300 pesos now in Laguna.
Oh, wala na. Yes.
Yes.
No more, no more.
Si Bulacan na may ganun.
Si Bulacan may
Meron pa ba?
ganon. So I guess siguro that's why
Meron
I...
pa ba? Okay.
Ayun lang.
Okay.
Maybe that's where
Okay.
we're coming from.
Okay. I have a lot of investor buyers din, ano. And ito yung nagiging question at para nag-entice din sa kanila
Yeah.
to come in. Where are the developers buying? I'm sure you guys know about it.
Diversified yan eh.
Oo nga. Sabi, in the north, sige. Pampanga, obviously Ayala's there. Sino pa?
Up
Tarlac
north,
pa.
Mega World is there already.
Who else? Robinsons also, I heard, di ba?
You talk about developers that we know here in Metro Manila.
Yes.
But you'll never believe that those people that are buying in the north are people we don't know. Alam mo bakit sinasabi ko yung mga homegrown na hindi kilala? Bakit? Kasi kaya nilang mamuhunan ng walang big boards. Developer boards, if you understand my language,
Yes,
that can,
yes.
because they're the ones who can decide on
their
the
own.
spot. Usually, may nakiusap kang bilyonaryo yan. One time,
Si Gerald?
hindi, mga isang bilyonaryo, tinanong ko, sabi ko, sir, ang dami nyo ng property. Saan pa kayo bumibili? Kasi syempre gusto namin mag-offer, di ba? Sabi niya. Alam mo, ang titingnan ko lang yung isang bilyonaryo niyang friend. Kung saan siya bumili, dun din ako bibili. Kasi parang kabayo yan. May mauunang kabayo, tapos yung the rest will follow. So that's how he thinks of buying. some hawa-hawa
yeah.
I guess that's the Philchay community.
I think
You
so,
would
yes.
understand.
Philchay yun eh. Nagtanong
Diba?
sa akin, ganyan.
Same,
Philchay
diba?
talaga, yes. Okay.
I know. The classic question.
The classic question, who's the boss? The mother or the daughter?
Naman.
Ay, obviously.
I think that's an obvious
Obviously.
question.
Pwedeng maiba eh.
She honors the fourth commandment.
Oh.
Tama ba? Are you sure? Yeah, honor thy father.
I'm just asking. I'm just asking if you remember if it's just the fourth.
Ang naisip kong classic question natin, beach or mountain?
None ako.
Neither. Okay.
I'm a city girl eh.
No, like, kung magbabakasyon ka, gusto mo ba mag-beach o gusto mo mag-chill sa mountain?
Wala.
Bahay, Netflix.
Hindi. Gusto ko yung city. I like exploring cities. The concrete jungle, in short. I like the old architecture.
So not necessarily Manila. It could be another city.
Yes.
Basta city.
Basta city.
City siya.
Another country.
Another country.
Another country. Okay. Okay.
The feel
Yeah.
of
Yeah, I guess siguro kasi it's if you go to the province, where's a nice place to go, you go explore the markets, di ba?
True.
That's true.
Ay, mura doon yung walis or masarap pala doon yung tosino. Mga ganun.
Sa mga bagong investors, would you recommend long-term hold or strategic flipping?
At this market,
At this market, yes. With the
Parang ang
current
hirap mag-flip.
conditions.
You know what I always say to some of our clients, if you think you have already reached a certain trench on your investment, might as well let go. Don't be greedy because you never know if that will really go deeper. So brokers should also know what's happening outside of the Philippines. So when clients address these things, you're also equipped to answer back. Because yung mga others is mag-google na lang sila. No, which is mali eh. Ikaw rin dapat informative ka. So that's where you become a seasoned broker.
yeah, in a way.
Parang kulang yung interview lang.
Pero kasi alam mo, hindi lang yun. Kasi pag inisip mo kung at this market, if ever man, ang daming, if you hold on to, for me, I'd rather sell it and then you buy the nice pre-sellings. No?
Change inventory.
Change inventory. Ay, for me,
Change
depende.
portfolio.
Yes.
Yun,
There you go.
portfolio.
Kasi
Yeah.
you know, like right now, developers are stretching, so
Terms.
Maganda terms, big discounts. Yeah.
big discounts.
Oo,
Kaya,
yep.
as in, you flip your 10 million unit na matagal na, kahit na kumita ka ng 2-3 million. Pwede kang bumili ng 10 million plus sa isang mas maganda, upgraded,
Agree.
gandang community, especially right now, the townships are really nice. Like, you can go, like, who would have thought, like, you go outside C5, dun pa lang sa corridor na yon, andyan na, dati, kala mo Eastwood lang. So, regardless of whatever product, the sale is there, the key, I don't know, like, the discipline is. Kasi kahit na to, magbenta to ng kahit hindi real estate, minsan, alahas, kaya nito ibenta. But I'm just saying, it depends on the product. I guess din lang yun.
So, would you like to share to our viewers how they can reach out to you? You have social media accounts?
Ano wala tayong social media eh. Meron.
Yung mga personal mong social media.
Mobile contact number.
Email.
Alam ko na, kasi since we got this opportunity here in Busy Brokers, if you want to reach us, contact Anton.
Wow, thank
Wow.
you.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah.
Anton,
Yeah.
G.
Yeah.
You contact them and to reach out to us. Yeah.
You know. Wow, I am floored.
Yeah.
Salamat.
I'm happy. You're floored.
So thank you. Please don't forget to like, subscribe to our YouTube, Instagram, Spotify, ano pa. Yun lang naman din.
Yun lang naman. Ayun lang naman.
Please follow.
Yeah.
Don't forget. So yeah, thank you and bye-bye. See you on the next episode.
See you. Talk to us.